Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Chivalry 2 error code 7003. The error reads, Anti-cheat ID token verification failure. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join a lobby, but the game prevents them from entering. According to our research, this error may appear randomly due to issues with the anti-cheat system or when using a VPN. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the game. Simply close the game completely and relaunch it, then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try restarting your device along with the router. Simply shut down both, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart, then check for the error again. If the error still persists, make sure you are not using a VPN. If you are, turn it off and then try launching the game again. If the error still continues, then try verifying the integrity of your game files. To do this, right-click Chivalry 2 from your Steam Games list, then select Properties, then go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to finish and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then check if you need to update the game. If there's an update available, install it and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, then try reinstalling Easy Anti-Cheat and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.